What's up guys? This video is going to be on how to install pip in Linux Ubuntu. Pip stands for package installer for Python, which is nothing but a program that finds a particular package and automatically installs it when the command is executed. So I would say this is one of the best features of Python as it makes things a lot easier. For now, let's see how to install this pip. Let's go to the terminal as usual. Let's check it for pip for Python 2 and pip3 for Python 3. Yes, and you can see both are not installed. So let's install them with sudo apt-get install python-pip, and that's it. Pip for Python 2 is installed right now. Now let's do it for Python 3 with sudo apt-get install python-3-pip, and done. Pip is installed for both versions. That's it, done. From now, from the next video onwards, let's get some fire and give it a start into our Python mania. We'll get into it fully. Until then, see ya, keep watching and have fun learning. Thank you.